Welcome to the future of the Internet. Have you ever wondered what the next evolution of the Internet would look like? Well, look no further because Web 3 is here and it's set to change the way we interact with the Internet. But before we dive into Web 3, let's take a look at the history of the Internet and how we got here. Segment 1. The history of the Internet. The Internet has come a long way since its inception in the 1960s. The first generation of the Internet, known as Web 1.0, was primarily used for communication and information sharing. It was a static and read-only version of the Internet, where users could only access and view information but couldn't interact with it. The second generation of the Internet, known as Web 2.0, brought a new level of interactivity to the Internet. With the introduction of social media, blogs, and other interactive features, users could now interact with and create content on the Internet. Web 2.0 also brought a new level of personalization to the Internet, where users could customize their online experience and connect with others. Segment 2. Introducing Web 3. Web 3, also known as the decentralized web, is the third generation of the Internet. It's built on blockchain technology, which is a decentralized, digital ledger that records transactions on multiple computers. This technology allows for a more secure, transparent and decentralized way of sharing and storing data online. Unlike the current Web 2 where most of the data is controlled by a few big companies, Web 3 allows for a more distributed and open Internet where individuals can have more control over their data. Segment 3. How Web 3 will change the way we interact with the Internet. Web 3 will change the way we interact with the Internet in several ways. One of the biggest changes is the introduction of decentralized apps or DApps. These apps run on a decentralized network and are not controlled by any single entity. For example, Crypto Voxels is a virtual world built on the Ethereum blockchain, where users can buy virtual land, build on it and even sell it, all without any central authority. This means they can't be shut down or censored by governments or corporations. This allows for a more open and fair Internet where everyone has equal access to information and services. Additionally, DApps are built on smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement written into code. For example, Uniswap is a decentralized exchange built on Ethereum, where users can trade ERC-20 tokens without the need of an intermediary. This allows for more efficient and secure transactions without the need for intermediaries. Web 3 will also bring more control to the users. With the use of blockchain technology, users will have more control over their data and will be able to share it without relying on centralized platforms. For example, using a service like 3box, users can create a decentralized profile that they can use across different DApps, and they can control who can access their data. This means that users will be able to own and control their digital identity, and have the ability to choose who can access their data and how it's used. Additionally, with the use of decentralized storage solutions like IPFS, users will be able to store their data in a secure and decentralized way, without the need for centralized servers that can be vulnerable to hacking or censorship. An example of this is Filecoin, a decentralized storage network, where users can rent out their spare storage space and get paid in the native cryptocurrency. Another important aspect of Web 3 is the ability for users to earn money for the data and resources they provide to the network. This is made possible through the use of cryptocurrency, which allows for micropayments and incentivizes users to contribute to the network. For example, with platforms like Brave, users can earn cryptocurrency for viewing ads and can choose to support content creators directly by tipping them in cryptocurrency. This creates a more inclusive and equitable Internet where everyone can participate and benefit from it. Segment 4. Conclusion. Web 3 is the future of the Internet. It will bring more security, control, and decentralization to the users. These are just some of the examples. There are many more DApps that are being built on top of the blockchain technology. It's still in its early stages, but with more and more people recognizing the benefits of Web 3, it's quickly becoming the go-to choice for a more open and fair Internet. With Web 3, we'll be able to create a more inclusive and equitable Internet where everyone can participate and benefit from it. So, if you're ready to be a part of this revolution, subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest Web 3 developments and how it's shaping the future of the Internet.